Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is going to be a little bit different than normal. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom, this is my shower, and I wanted to talk about some of the in-shower products that I have been absolutely loving lately. I have way more than this that I use. I usually rotate. I mean, you can see some more back there, up there, up there. But for the most part, this is what's in my current rotation. And I just kind of wanted to walk through them with you guys and explain why I like them. So starting up, this first one I'm kind of cheating because this is not an in-shower product, this is a before shower product. And I was a little bit confused on how this product worked before I actually bought it and used it, which is why I wanted to include it with this video. This is the Bumble & Bumble Scalp Detox Foam. I originally thought this was like kind of like a dry shampoo where you would use it to detox your hair and then like go on with your day and not have to wash it. But actually what it is it's a pre-shower detox. So you spray it on your scalp, let it sit for 3 minutes, and then proceed with your shower as normal, and it's kind of like a clarifying shampoo. I do really like it. I don't think I'll buy it again because it's really expensive and you can just get a clarifying shampoo that does pretty much the same thing. But it is a really cool product. I've never seen anything like that before. The next thing that I do in the shower is typically wash my hair. So I have, well, if I'm washing my hair, I don't wash my hair every day, but when I do wash my hair, these are the products that I've been using lately to wash my hair. So I usually wash my hair twice in the same shower, once with some sort of just normal shampoo and then some sort of like treatment shampoo. So this is the treatment shampoo I've been using a lot lately. This is actually the third bottle of this, liter size bottle of this that I've purchased, and I just really like it. I feel like it really does make my hair feel a little bit thicker. It's the is it Paul Mitchell? I don't know actually. Yeah, it is Paul Mitchell. Paul Mitchell Lemon Sage Thickening Shampoo. I got it at Ulta during their liter sale. So yeah, this is really good. Matt uses it as well. It does make your hair feel a little bit thicker. It doesn't actually make your hair thicker, but it makes it feel thicker. So I'll usually use this one first, and then I've been going to my tried and true AG Color Saver shampoo and conditioner. I've talked to you guys about this before, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but it is a super moisturizing shampoo. It leaves my hair feeling really soft, even when I'm not using like a deep conditioner or anything like that. Just these two together leave my hair really soft and just nice and easy to manage feeling. When I do use a deep conditioning mask or like a deep conditioner, I have a couple that I'm rotating between, but this is the one that I've been loving a lot lately. The other one I have is in that pink jar back there by the brand, I think Eva NYC. But this one's by the brand Briogeo, and I picked this up at Sephora. I heard lots of people talk about this, so I figured I would test it out for myself. And it actually is a really, really, really good mask. I don't know if I like it more than the macadamia one. I actually haven't used the macadamia one in years, so I'll have to get it and compare the two and see which I like better. But this is right up there with like holy grail status, you guys. It smells so good. It makes my hair feel like silk, and it just, oh, I love it so much. For shower gel, this is where I get a little extra, as the kids say. I have 3 shower gels that I rotate between. This one is sadly, I mean, it's pretty much gone. I probably have one more use out of it. But these 3 right here are what I'm rotating between. So I'm going to start with this one because this is my tried and true holy grail. I can't live without this. My Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. I love the way this smells. I just love the way vanilla smells on my body. I think it mixes really well with my body chemistry. And this shower gel, I have a back stock of like 20 of them. I'm not even lying. Because I just love it so much, and it's seasonal, so it's like I gotta stock up on it while it's in season. So I use this one mostly. These two I actually, well, this one is a repurchase, but originally I picked this up via Octoly, but what is this called again? It has a funky name, Sol de Janeiro. I have a lot of their products actually. I have their Bum Bum Cream and their lip balm. I really want to try this spray because this whole line just smells very good. It has like a caramel, well, it says right there, pistachio caramel scent to it. This one leaves your skin really nice and soft. I always follow up my showers with some sort of moisturizer, but I feel like when I use this one and this one, I don't necessarily need to do the moisturizer. I still do, but these hydrate and moisturize enough to allow me to skip the moisturizer if I really wanted to. This one I will probably continue to repurchase just because it's easily accessible. They sell it at Sephora, and I really do enjoy this shower gel. This one I picked up from Octoly recently, and it came with this little guy right here, which is called I think it's called the IM brush, something like that. I'll link it down below for you. I really, really like this, you guys. It's by the brand Double Dare, and so is the shower gel. I'm going to talk about the shower gel really quick. So this is the Honey Milk Drop Body Wash. This is so super moisturizing, you guys. It smells amazing. I would love to continue to repurchase it, but Double Dare is one of those products that you have to purchase online. To my knowledge, it's not available in any in-store. And something like shower gel, I just want to be able to pick up in a store. You know, I don't want to have to order it and wait for it. But it is a really, really good one. If you don't mind waiting to order, definitely check this out. It has honey and goat's milk in it, which I thought was a little bit strange, but something about it works really well. There's also fruit seed oil, flower seed oils, and just together it's a really moisturizing. It smells really good. It turns into a foam, so it goes from like a cream to a foam, and I just find that it works really well. The purpose of this guy right here is, well, it's multi-purpose. But when you use it on your body, it's supposed to help with the reduction of cellulite. I haven't quite seen a reduction in cellulite yet, but it is just a really cool tool to apply your shower gel. So you basically squirt the shower gel on here and buff it into your skin kind of like this. And it's just supposed to help to get the blood flowing, to kind of massage. And yeah, I mean, I've heard that products like this or tools like this really do help with the reduction of cellulite. I think the area that I struggle with the most as far as cellulite goes is definitely my thighs. So I'm hopeful that in the long run this will definitely pay off. You can use either side. I typically use this side, but you can definitely use this side as well. You can use it all over your body. You can use it on your face. You could use it on your scalp to exfoliate, but I've just been using it on my body a lot lately. So those are my body products. I'm talking a lot, running out of breath here. And then next I'm gonna talk about face products really quickly. So in the shower, I don't usually spend a lot of time with facial products. I typically do that outside of the shower, up at the sink. But these are the products that I've been using in the shower a lot lately. So first I will wash my face. I mean, the Clarisonic, I've talked to you guys about this so many times. This is a tool I don't think I could ever live without. It's just my skincare game has changed. It's gone from a 2 to a 10 using this product. I've had it for like 5 years. I definitely recommend checking it out. It just really deep cleanses your face. You put your your face wash on the brush right here. You turn it on and basically it's an electric toothbrush for your face. So you can see the little bristles there are kind of going back and forth, and it just really deep cleanses your face. So always use that. As far as the face wash I'm using in the shower right now, I've really been loving this Kate Somerville face wash. This is the Gentle Daily Wash. I picked this up because I got a sample size version of it when I bought this Clarisonic. Actually, they gave me like a 0.5 ounce bottle or something like that that lasted forever, honestly. But I just really enjoy it. It's gentle. It doesn't really have a scent, which is kind of good for your skin. And it just works really well. I love the packaging. It's so cool. There's like, you twist this. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see because my camera's not focusing, but you twist it and you squeeze it and it comes out of the bottom, and then you twist it again and that's what closes it. So just a really cool product. I will probably continue to repurchase this. As far as what I use to wash my face at nighttime, so I shower in the morning, but at nighttime when I wash my face, I use the Philosophy Purity, which isn't here because it's up in my beauty cabinet, but that is a good one. Exfoliating I typically do in the shower. Aside from the exfoliating peels, I like to do those outside of the shower because you're not supposed to get those wet. But as far as in-shower exfoliation, I have one over there, the Jan Marini one that I'm still working on. But this is a product that I have repurchased so many times. It's the Dermalogica Daily Superfoliant. I like this because it's an exfoliator that you can use every day. And you don't feel like you're tearing apart your skin. It's a little powder that you put some water on and you rub it together and it turns into like a putty pasty thing, and it works, you guys. It really, really does, and you can use it every day. And so that's kind of the skincare that I use in the shower. And then my last step in the shower is usually some sort of optional, I don't always do this, but some sort of in-shower moisturizer. I used to be, and I still am, a huge fan of the Lush Rose Argan, but that product is ridiculously expensive, you guys. It's like $35 for a jar about this big that lasts, I don't know, maybe 10 showers if you're very, very, you know, frugal with it. But typically it lasts, you know, like, I don't know, 5-6 showers or whatever. So I've been wanting to try this Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer for a very long time, and I was able to try it out via Octoly, which is fantastic. I actually used this for the first time yesterday, so I don't have too many, you know, I don't have a ton of thoughts on it quite yet. I will say it's very similar to the Lush Rose Argan. It's not quite as moisturizing. I don't like the scent as much as Rose Argan, but it is the same type of product where it's an in-shower moisturizer. I use it at the very end of my shower. I lather it all over my body, I rinse it off, and then when I get out of the shower, instead of wiping my body with a towel, I just kind of pat my body with a towel to allow this to really sink in. This does have argan oil in it, so again, it's very similar to the Lush Rose Argan, but I don't know which I prefer better. This is definitely cheaper. I want to say this is like $6 or $7, and this will last a very long time, whereas the Lush one, like I was saying, is much more expensive. It doesn't last as long. So yeah, when I use something like this, I definitely do not find the need to follow up with a moisturizer afterwards. So that is my shower products. I hope that you guys like videos like this. I don't have any fancy lighting. I don't have any ring lights. This is literally just me holding my camera and the bathroom lights, which explains why it is so yellowy and dark, but I hope that you guys don't mind. I wanted to definitely be sure to share this with you. I've never really seen anybody do a video like this, so let me know and I will kind of show you every time I rotate things out. But yeah, let me know what your favorite in-shower products are so that I can check them out if I haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.